So let's go over solving one-step equations. So solving one-step equations means there's just one step to get to the unknown variable or the answer. So example 1, x plus 4 equals 3. Our goal is to get the variable x by itself. To get x by itself, we must get rid of this positive 4. So the 4 is being added to x. To get rid of the 4, you must do the inverse or opposite of what is already being done. The inverse of addition is subtraction. So we're going to draw a line down the middle of our equal sign. And then we know to get rid of the plus 4, we need to subtract 4 on both sides. Those are going to 0 or cancel each other out. We bring down our x. 3 minus 4 using our integer operations. We subtract the two numbers, keep the sign of the larger valued number. So answer is x equals -1. Next example, we have w minus 6 equals 8. So the goal again is to get the variable w by itself. To get w by itself, we have to get rid of this 6. The 6 is being subtracted from the w minus 6. To get rid of the 6, we have to do the inverse or opposite of what's already being done. The inverse operation is, well, if we know we have subtraction here, the opposite of subtraction is going to be addition. So to get rid of w minus 6, draw our line down the middle. Minus 6, we change it to a plus 6 on both sides. Those 0 or cancel each other out, bring down our w. 8 plus 6, 14. So our answer is w equals 14. Example 3, we have 4y equals 12. Remember, if you have a number and a letter right next to each other, that means multiplication. So our goal here is to get the y by itself. To get y by itself, we have to get rid of that 4. The 4, like we said, is being multiplied by y. To get rid of the 4, we have to do the inverse or opposite of what's already being done. We know the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So we draw our line. The way we show division is we draw the bar underneath it similar to a fraction bar. We divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so they just cross out, bring down our y, because 1y and y are the same thing. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Last example, we have negative z over 7 equals 3. So our goal is to get z by itself. To get rid of the z, we have to get rid of that negative and the 7. We can do that together. The operation between the z and the -7 is division, because once again, notice they use the division bar similar to a fraction. To get rid of -7, we do the inverse or opposite of what is already being done. We know the inverse of division is multiplication. The way we show multiplication, draw our line. Notice they put the parentheses here for us. We're showing multiplication by parentheses. If we start using the x, it looks like a letter. We don't want to use that x anymore in algebra. So we're going to show with multiplication. We need to get rid of what we said was -7, so we need to multiply by -7 on both sides. These two equal 1, or they cancel each other out. We take this z, bring it down. 3 times -7, remember our integer rules. Negative times a positive, so different signs equals a negative answer. 3 times 7 is 21. There we go.